Hey family, how are you? I want to talk to you about healthy hair care. Did you know there are steps to growing your hair? Let me tell you what those steps are. First step, full hair evaluation, where I determine if your hair needs intensive care, direct response, normal hair care, or independent hair care. Let's take a closer look. Intensive care is when your hair is severely damaged and you have severe split ends. Direct response is not as severe yet, but it does show breakage in certain areas and has a lot of dryness and split ends. Normal hair care is when we have gotten your hair to a healthy state and now you are just coming in for your follow-up treatments. Independent hair care is when you have completed LivvYounique's 5-step process and you have been educated on how to take care of your hair independently at home. Step number 2, your personal treatment process, where I determine the right products for you. Step number 3, your trim and cut therapy, where we cut off all those dead ends. Step number 4, your home maintenance system, where you will maintain this healthy hair care at home by using LivvYounique's hair nourishment oil, which contains all natural and essential oils. To use hair nourishment at home, use 5 or more drops 2 to 3 times a week to aid in thicker, fuller hair. Step number 5, your post-treatment follow-up, where I determine the overall health of your hair. And here are just a few pictures of some of our before and after success stories. To see our products and services or to make an appointment, go to LivvYounique.com. So this is Healthy Hair Care at LivvYounique. Bye family.